could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
To Davis. Puts it up. Got it.
Davis. The assist to number 33.
He'll bring it up court. Hardaway sets the offense. You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Shot blocked by O'Neal.
Golden State ball.
Dickerson, no good. There's the highlight.
Absolutely.
The assist to number 34. Shaquille O'Neal.
Jameson shoots. He makes the jumper. He'll bring it up court. He fakes. Sends it to Davis. To T-Man. Gonna shoot. Weber with an easy two.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Davis is whistled for the defensive foul. This feels like a real test for them.
Now, great teams are the ones that can stick together even when things get tight. This is one of those times.
Look for Baron Davis to take it to the hole a lot in this game. To Hardaway. Davis is called for the defensive foul. They didn't like what they saw from him that time.
This game is not going their way right now, and that's got them all worked up.
Golden State ball.
Davis leaves his feet. Hardaway comes up empty. Pass to Davis. To Hill. To Hill. Weber's a warrior when it comes to posting up inside, but he can also do magic with a pass.
Now, he's like a wizard the way he can throw the no-look pass or thread the needle with the bullet pass.
From left of the circle.
Tim Hardaway.
Come on, let's go, Cubs.
Pump fakes. To Shaq. That was all power. The Warriors haven't been able to make the switch.
Expect the other side to continue driving to the hoop.
The assist to number 33, Grant Hill.
Right.
To Hardaway. Doc Rivers isn't going to ride the ref on that one, but he is going to explain a few things. Back to Jameson.
Defensive foul to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
He's worked hard to keep his foul shooting at a respectable percentage.
Now, this player doesn't want to be the one that lets his team down at crunch time.
He'll bring it up court. With the nice shot fake, back to Hill. As a former Raptor, T-Mac felt like he was option number 2. There's no question he's the main man on this team. Backs his man down.
2 minutes remaining in the first quarter.
Steal. The Magic are using a lot of energy on defense.
They might need a breather somewhere.
That's the first foul in the last 2 minutes.
Pass to Hill. To O'Neal. With the nice shot fake. Weber. The tomahawk jam, brace and power.
He'll win it, baby. Miss.
Out of bounds. Warriors ball.
You are strong deep.
He released quickly after setting that screen and got a nice pass as he rolled.
Swatted away by O'Neal. No good. With the quick spin move, Hill takes the jumper. He pulls it down. Puts it off the window. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Backing his defender down. Works it with the J. Sends it to Hill. to Weber. Passes off to McGrady. Looks at a three. Gambier takes the board.
Missed.
He sets up the offense. The screener kept his head in the play and was looking for the pass. Looks at the three to Hill. They're playing some great transition defense.
No defender wants to be back on his heels.
O'Neal with the ball.
That's a travel. What are you doing?
He comes away with it. Hardaway pushes it hard up court. He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
Bob, looks like they'll need to work on their scoring.
And their defense, and a few other things.
This isn't the best game I've seen these guys play. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work now.
After he drove past the screen, oh, the passing lane was wide open.
Get it up.
This is a matchup they can take advantage of.
That's why we're seeing the isolation.
McGrady picks it out of the air. Davis gets the ball to McGrady. To Davis. Looks at three. Oh, yes! The Magic lead by 8. Hardaway sets it up on the left side. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Batted away by Weber. Sends it to Davis. To T-Mac. To Weber. Dumps it in to O'Neal. He puts up the shot. He buries it.
If they want a shot at this one, they've got to pick up the intensity on offense.
Hardaway is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. He comes away with it. Only one man back for this two-man break. Nails the J.
He hits another one. Oh, man.
The Magic on a 7-0 run. Hardaway is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Rejected with the shot. This team needs to get back to basics.
Pass the ball, shoot the ball, hit the rock in the bucket.
For the Warriors, number 0, Gilbert.
Passes off to Fortson.
Number 22.
Backs him down. Weber with the defensive foul. Fortson goes to the line shooting 2.
That's his first personal team foul. Number 1.
Rims off.
Into the game for Golden State. Number 3, Bob Sura.
To Hill. Dishes it to McGrady. To O'Neal. He's rocking it.
You want to watch the backbone.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
With a nice shot fake. Sura can't find the hole. Garrett takes it hard to the rack. Passes off to Weber. Back to Hill. To McGrady. For 3. No. Garrett gets the board.
Golden State, number 1, Troy Murphy. And number 34, Chris Mills.
Arenas sets it up on the right side. One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. Puts up the J. Garrett with the offensive board. Pushes it up to Hill. Pass to Davis. Arenas picks up the defensive foul. The Magic are ahead by 13.
The discouraging part about this is he's got a lot of work to do just to become an average free throw shooter.
But even so, that would add a couple of points to his scoring average. Arenas wants to try and work it into the post here. To Hill. Arenas picks up the foul.
Defensive foul to number 0, Gilbert Arenas.
This player wasn't always a great free throw shooter.
It just goes to show you what you can get from practicing.
Sinks it. Rims up. Murphy picks it out of the air. He sets it up on the right side. Passes off to Sura. He connects on the 360.
That time he came in from another area code.
He'll bring it up court. Stolen.
Orlando loves to turn steals on the fast break point.
McGrady gets the pass. Unloads a three. Steal. Opening up the floor with a fast break. Dishes off to Arenas. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes light up.
Out of bounds. Warriors ball.
Arenas, good fake. All the way home.
Arenas.
To Hill. Arenas with the steal. Let's see if they can capitalize on this 2-on-1 break with the layup.
They weren't able to keep up with the running game.
The coach might want to call a timeout to give his team a breather.
Out of bounds. Golden State ball.
When they spread their offense, it gives him the room he needs to operate.
And it really makes a tough draw on the defender.
Davis picks up the foul.
Into the game for the Golden State Warriors. Number 25, Eric Dampier.
It's stolen. He pushes it up court. McGrady sets it up on the left side. Pass to Hill. He fakes the shot. Arenas is whistled for the defensive foul. Davis goes to the charity
Into
strike
the game
for one.
for Golden State. Number 10, Tim Hardaway. The assist to Grant Hill.
It's good.
Last one for 3. 5.
They've switched off the clock and we're about to head into the break.
This team will hold on for the last shot. Steal. Orlando runs the fast break. Oh, I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam.
The assist to number 33.
This player definitely has the skills to create for himself.
And that's why he wants the ISO.
At the end of the first half, the Magic lead the Warriors 33-16. If this team does one thing differently in the second half, they should contest more shots.
Absolutely, Darren. I'm talking about really getting up on the guys, challenging the shooter, and just not waving a hand in their face.
Dickerson with the rainmaker.
The assist to number 10, Tim Hardaway.
O'Neal receives the pass. Passes off to Hill with the nice shot fake. Up for the layup.
He's got to get some help out there.
The assist to Baron Davis.
He sets up the offense.
Coming up on the left.
He didn't like the shot he had coming off the screen, so he improvised. Orlando with the quick transition on offense. With the two-handed flush. He has 6 points. Fortson, good fake. Blocked by Weber. Jamison handles the dish. Hill is called for the foul.
Grant Hill.
He's been working hard on this part of his game. He knows he'll never lead the league, but he wants to make sure he's respectable.
And maybe a little bit more. Hill grabs the rebound. It's stolen. Gives it off to Hardaway. He sets things up. Going for three. Sinks the shot.
This is what you call a shooting streak.
To Weber. He gets his defender in the air. That was a sick two-handed jam. That's 8 points for the former Michigan Wolverine.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Hardaway is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. To Dampier. Pass to Fortson. To Hardaway. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. Fortson for two. Golden State is behind by 14. He sets it up on the left side to Webb with the fake to Davis. He's bringing it home with a two-handed dunk.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
Hardaway takes the jumper. O'Neal grabs it. That's 8 boards for the former first-round pick. Sliding in with a double pump slam. That's how you finish. The Magic are up by 18.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Hardaway is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. That's it away. Weber knew he had to step up his defense tonight. McGrady shoots. He drains it. He's doing a nice job, Bob.
I don't know if they can shut him down.
Shot blocked by Davis. With a nice little spin move. Oh, jams it. That's an 8-zip run.
2 minutes left in the third quarter.
On the arm.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Finger roll. Orlando seems to have lost their focus.
They need to huddle up and get this story straight.
With the crossover. Sends it to Davis. McGrady on the left side. To Davis. Tries the 3. No good. Jamison grabs it. Pass to Dickerson. To Dampier. Backs down his defender. He fakes. Not there. McGrady grabs the board. They're in his house.
You know it.
That gives him 16 points.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Foul. That's a foul.
His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he can get some room, he can really operate.
He's bringing it down. That puts some points on the board.
He's lighted up like New York City Broadway.
Baron Davis.
The defense hates to get caught up by those isolation plays.
With his scoring ability, he's got to make a double team. But he can also beat you with the pass.
Tries the 3. O'Neal gets the rebound. He's now got 9 rebounds. He pump fakes. He sets it up on the left side.
That's a foul.
Makes the shot. Hill tries the 3. This game won't be won that way.
They need to make sure to get their guys the ball where they can make the shot.
Hardaway feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock out of his way.
After 3, Orlando leads Golden State. Robert, we're looking at a team that was able to use the third quarter to build on a very good first half.
Now, this team is like a python. They get you where they want you, and they start squeezing.
With the rainmaker. Jamison with the board. Steal.
If you keep hustling like that, you'll be able to get some steals.
Jansen. The Warriors give up another.
Down in situations like that, don't start jawing at the ref. Get yourself back on D.
What great hands.
He snatched the ball right out of thin air.
Powers it down with a two-handed jam. That's 18 points for the fourth-year pro.
The assist.
He'll bring it up court.
5 up.
Hardaway is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
He fakes. Jamison drains the 2. That's 8 points for the former first-round pick. Dish to O'Neal. To the Diesel. To Seaweb. He puts out the shot. We'll see some instant offense, Robert.
You just add a little water and stir it on up.
4.
They work the oldest play in the book with the pass off the pick and roll.
McGrady with the pass. You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. He's been wrong. Hill gets his man in the air. To Seaweb. To T-Mac. the dunk.
Ouch.
Hardaway will bring it up court.
Chris Webber.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points.
Out of bounds. Golden State ball. Into the game for the Golden State Warriors. Number
Goes
0,
up.
Gilbert Arenas.
He pushes hard up court. He's making a mark.
Something that's not going to show up in his stat line.
That's a 6-0 run.
Nothing there. 3 up.
Jamison takes the shot.
Into the game for Golden State. Number 22, Dean Garrett.
Arenas with the J.
Gilbert
They've got to
Arenas.
get out and start disrupting your offensive flow. No more easy passes.
It's stolen. Gives it off to Arenas. Dishes off to Jamison. Got it.
Anton
He delivers on
Jamison.
another big
The
basket.
assist to Gilbert Arenas.
Yep, traveling. Good call by the refs. Those two are having words.
Players keeping it cool, though, Don. He doesn't want to get a tee right now.
Takes the shot. He misses it. McGrady takes the board. Arenas is called for the defensive foul. Bobby's digging himself a big hole out there.
If he doesn't zip it up quick, look out.
Davis makes the first. It's the second. He'll bring it up court.
Missed.
With the nice shot fake,
in the fourth quarter.
Weber brings it down. The defense wants to slow this game to a crawl.
At this pace, they can manage the flow.
3.
Arenas gets the ball. Jamison, good fake. That player needs to get his head back into the game.
I can't figure out why he would crowd the line when there's no press.
Number 34.
Pushes it up to Weber. Got it!
They've shot the ball real well so far now.
And that's the mark of a winner.
3 up.
With the J.
Warriors are going to need to look somewhere else for some points. The defense needs to buckle down and stop it.
Arenas will bring it up court.
Missed.
Looks at a three. O'Neal takes the rebound. Orlando is running the floor tonight. Great shot.
He's a one-man scoring machine.
That's a 10-0 run.
3.
From three-point territory. You know what this game reminds me of?
No, what?
I don't know. I can't remember the last time I saw a score like this.
Me neither.
To T-Mac. With the jumper. O'Neal with the offensive board. He has 11 rebounds. No. Murphy pulls it down. Arenas with the jumper. Davis gets the board. Misses from outside.
Out of bounds. Golden State ball.
They stopped him last trip
Into
down the
game
floor.
for the
Can they do it
Warriors.
again?
Number 10.
He sets up the play.
And number 8, Michael Dickerson.
3 up.
Looks at the three. Hardaway misfired. That's 12 boards for the 11-year veteran. Another close shot that won't fall.
Once you draw the defense, kick it out to the jump shooter. It's an easy tee.
Not there. Gives it off to McGrady. With a spin move. Oh, him.
He's a power player.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Check the time.
One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. He's not slowing down the tempo of this game. Tonight's final, Orlando 75, Golden State 35.